Good morning, Liverpool class, and welcome again. This is another maths session, and this is tens and ones part 2. Remember that we were looking at numbers and knowing whether they were tens and ones. So if we look at this number, 72, we can see these are part whole models. So 72, if you have your straws or sticks, count as cubes, you could make 72 because you've got your 70 there, haven't you? We've got to know that would be 2, wouldn't it? Because it's 7 tens and 2 ones. Now what we're looking at today is being able to make 72 in different ways. Okay, you can see there's 3 part whole models. You can see each one has got the tens. So if you look at the second one, 60, so it would have 6 tens. So how many tens are left? There'd be a 10 and there'd be 2 ones. So it would be 12. So 72 can also be made up of 60 and 12. Look at the third one. It can be made up, look, it's got 50. So that would be 5 tens. So you would have 2 tens left and 2 ones. So it can also be made up of 22. So the same is that each number is the same, isn't it? But different is it's different tens and different ones, isn't it? So if we look at this, look, it can be made up of 7 tens and 2 ones. 60 and 12, like we said, it's 6 tens and 12 ones. It can be 5 tens and 22 ones. Can you think of other ways? If it was 4 tens or 3 tens, how many ones would it be? See if you can have a go. Now then, we're going to think about representing a number in 2 different ways. I can even think of 3. So I'm going to model it with 9. Now 9, you could use your fingers, couldn't you? If you have 2 hands, you've got 5 and 4. Or you could have 9 and 0. I wonder what other ways you could have. Then I want you to try it for these numbers. Look, 80 and 53. It can be 8 tens and 0 ones. 53 can be 5 tens and 3 ones. Wonder if you could come up with other ways that could be. Use object, use your sticks and your cubes to help you, your tens and ones with your money. Then look at part whole models. Look at this number. Look, we can write number sentences to match each part whole model. So 27, like we've said, is 7 ones and that 2. Let's go back. So it's 20, isn't it? So we would write 20 add 7 equals 27. Or 7 add 20 equals 27, because we know we can do it each way around, can't we? We can swap it around. It doesn't matter whether it's 7 add 20 or 20 add 7. Then we can have the number at the beginning, look, the total, the whole, like 27 equals 20 add 7. 27 equals 7 add 20. I wonder if you'll be able to do it for this number, 46. Now then, 46 would be, you've got 16. So you've got your 6 and you've got a 1 10. So there'd be 3 10s, wouldn't there? So it would be 30 that would go there. So if it was 30 and 16, wonder if you could write the number additions for it. Pick some other numbers and write me the 4 number sentences to go with it. Then have a go at these number sentences. Look, sometimes you've got the equals at the beginning, like 35 equals 30 add what? Then you've got 20 add something equals 29. So you know you've got 20, so you know you've got 9. Have a go at them. Now then, these are problems. Annie thinks that 50 add 9 is 509. Sure that Annie is wrong. How would you help Annie to get it right? Look, because we know that when we put 50 and 9 together, it's the placeholder, isn't it? It's 5 tens and 9, isn't it? So it would be 59. I wonder if you would be able to explain that to a partner or to an adult nearby. Now then, I've put some questions, some little problems. Tom had 20 sweets in his bag. Sam had 16 sweets in his bag. How many did they have altogether? So what do we have to do to that? We have to add them together, don't we? This one, Sally had collected 45 stamps. She gave 12 to her friend. How many stamps did Sally have left? Well, 45. 12, we know we've got to take away this one, subtract. 12 is 10 and 2. So we could take 2 ones, then take 10 off. Count back in tens. We're good at that. I've put, can you make your own? Can you make your own problem? Let me put your in. Can you make your own problem up? I wonder. Any of this work that you do, please send me. I would love to see it and see how well you are doing. In the meantime, continue to take care and be safe.